We're going to the beach. And here we are. Jogging. Jogging na naka-chinelas. We are almost there. Almost there at the beach. Yes. Ready? Naamoy ko na. Naamoy ko na ang amoy maalat. Ilog. Ta-da! Yes! We will get through past to the bridge. We are going to the beach a little bit more. What a beautiful day. Yes. Sorry we're late. Hindi na namin nakita yung pagsikat niya. And there he goes. Finally at the beach. Oh my gosh. Okay, almost there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Beach, beach, beach. Arriving. Oh my god, my feet. And that is my footprint. Okay, we're off to go. Goodbye, beach. See you again. Province is so awesome. Ayan. Asa ng araw? Yan, pauwi na kami. We spent almost 1 hour here in the beach. Ay! Dami pa rin ng slipper ko. And mag-walk kami ulit around 30 to 45 minutes para makauwi sa bahay. Oo naman. Bye-bye, beach! Nanda. Ta-da! Beach, beach, beach. Ang una na yung dalawa. Oh, forest. Wala na, unti-unti nang nawawala ang beach. Okay na. Okay. Almost there, almost there.